How's it going, guys? Welcome to another video. This time I promise you I'm gonna upload multiple videos right after this. But anyways, for those looking to make some extra money in 2019 but have watched my other videos and feel like, man, I don't know if I can do this, I have something for you. I've mentioned, there's many of times, I mentioned Royaltie, the Royaltie Gem many of times, but they actually have updates that I didn't expect to happen. I told you now Royaltie is going where, you'll have your ad on, some of the top sites around over 100, the top sites around and apps around the world, such as Facebook, such as YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, etc. That's what I left you guys off with, but actually some more news was dropped, that's changing the game. I've been excited. I've been actually, testing it out because, when anything updates, it's a little, some kinks you got to work out. But anyways, guys, if you knew, this, for example, was one of the devices that will broadcast your ad, to people near you, anyone within the range of your gym. And what that means is at the time we had different gyms that, started from 100 meters, around you all the way to 1,000 meters around you. And whoever was in that vicinity would get your ad. Now, with the Royaltie Gem 2019, everything is virtual. Everything is virtual. There is no actual device anymore with Royaltie Gems. It's all virtual. So, for example, say you grab a gym right now. What you'll do is download, after you sign up, you'll get the app. The gym is virtual, like I said, so you'll go in the app. You'll write your ad out. And this last part that I'm going to mention, open my eyes up to some that I still to this day, don't believe it. But I'm actually using it. So when you fill out your ad, etc., at the end, it's going to ask you, where do you want to target and how many kilometers in that area do you want to target? What I mean by this is any country, any city, around any streets, you're able to put your ad, broadcast your ad to. So, for example, say you're in Florida, you can broadcast your ad anywhere in Florida, anywhere in LA, anywhere in Ohio, and anywhere in Puerto Rico. It doesn't matter. So in the app, I wish I can show you this, but I don't have my other phone right now. So like I said, at the end, when you click on, where you're going to set your pin, it's a pin. It's like if you ever see any location, there's a red pin that you get to drop, wherever your location is. So what you're going to do is click on that, and you're going to say you're in, let me just think of, say you're in Miami or so. There's a specific place you want to target because it's high in traffic. So you literally can search, drag the pin to Miami, zoom in, and target that specific location that you want your ad to be shown. And then go to, at the bottom of that is going to be, 1 through 10 kilometers. That's the width of, that area you want to cover. So you might start in, say you're in Miami, Florida, and you might go 10 kilometers. You might end up in a few more cities at one time, for a better comparison. Let me think. For example, I have an ad in over the airport in LA. So I put it a full, 8 kilometers. So now I'm not only covering the whole airport, but I'm also reaching all the establishments within that 8 kilometers of the airport. So I'm trying to describe this as simple as I can, off the head. Everything's freestyle. But this is a game changer for people with specific niches, target marketing. Say you're in the area, you're looking for customers to come to your salon. You can target wherever you think that type of traffic is going to be. and however wide you want it to be. You know, if you're looking for just regular someone to download your app, you can put it over a mall, you can put it over shopping plaza, you can put it over a theme park, you can put it over a movie theater. You know, wherever your creativity takes you, you can target that market. On another note, how this works is depending your gem. So for example, when you go to my website, you know, I want to say don't quote me, it's like 4 levels. You know, the first one, there's 5,000 guaranteed impressions you get. You know, impression are views. You get to your gem guaranteed. It can exceed this, but the company wanted to guarantee a certain amount of views, you know, so it's tangible. You know, I'm going to at least get this amount of views, you know, depending where you have your ad. Some might go quicker than others depending on the traffic, but you're guaranteed this amount of views, and it goes all the way, do not quote me, it goes all the way down to 25,000 impressions. And obviously that's way more money, more for someone, you know, really in business, you know, probably more so a business owner that, you know, is advertising to a large target over time. But so when you go on the website, like I said, most people start off, you know, obviously most likely at the first one, the 5,000 impressions, and on top of that, you are able to buy additional impressions for a small fee every single month. But yeah, I couldn't wait to put this video out because this is gonna help anyone who has the doubt of not being able to get sign-up sales, customers, whatever it is. This pretty much puts that outside the window. So say you come on, you know, you go through my YouTube training, you go through my Instagram training, and you just like, this still is not sticking. You now have something that's going to guarantee you views. It's not going to guarantee you sales, but you know there's people actually checking out your ad and your offer every single day on a daily basis. And you can locate people anywhere, no matter where you are. And if you wanted to do the traditional method, like back in the day, we had it, like I said, when you have the gym, it only targets the people around you. And say you're on the go and you say, well, I want this to follow me where I'm at currently. You can link it to your phone, and wherever you go, your ad's going to follow, you know, the location of your phone. So like I said, this is a game changer. A lot of people are going to overlook this. You know, that's more opportunity for us, you know, for those 1% that take advantage. But this is a game changer for anything. I don't care if it's music, whatever you do, this is a game changer to get eyes to you. Be creative. Like I said, for example, you're a musician, got a new song, you can broadcast it wherever you want it. Got a whole album, few songs, you can broadcast them wherever you want to broadcast them. You can broadcast them at a whole concert. You can broadcast them anywhere where people are located. But I didn't want to make this video too long, but I hope it answered, well, I hope it brought some light, you know, to those looking for, you know, insights of marketing, and those looking for a way to make some extra money in 2019. Comment below if you have any questions on anything. I always reply, or my contact information will be below. Like I said, this is a game changer. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe if today's not your day, or even if today is your day and you're gonna get started, make sure you subscribe, get us a thumbs up. You already know how it goes.